So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to fade in and out audio in Premiere Pro. So let's begin the video. So first of all, select the audio in the timeline, and here in the effects control panel you can see an option of audio. Now make sure to enable this level option. If it's off and showing like this, click on it to make it on. Now move this a little bit ahead and make another keyframe. Now let's go back to the first keyframe and get the level to negative infinity. And let me play. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, here you can see that's the fade in of audio. Now let's go to the end of the timeline to fade out the audio. Repeat the same steps by clicking on this diamond icon, make one keyframe, and at the end make another keyframe again. And after that, in the last, make the level value to negative infinity. Create a Reddit account. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. And here you can see that's the fade out. So that's how you can fade in and out audio in Premiere Pro. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.